All right, guys, welcome to the listing optimization page. And to get here, I simply clicked on listing optimization, and it's going to bring you to this page where it's going to show you all of your SKUs listed over here in order of profit. So as you can see, we have two SKUs here. And if you wanted to add additional SKUs, there's a couple of things that come into play. First and foremost, you need to have at least one PPC-related sale for the SKU to register with our system. Once it is registered with our system, you have to add that SKU inside of the Settings tab. And you're going to see over here, there's a place over here where it says Reselect SKUs. And there'll be a drop down of all of your new SKUs, and you can select that and save it to your plan. And as soon as you do that, it will be listed right over here. If you need additional SKUs to your plan and need to upgrade, you can do that as well by clicking on Upgrade Plan over here. So this page is really important because it allows you to see your profit margins, it allows you to see the 7-day average, the 30-day average, and the 60-day average, which are really important metrics for your particular SKU to make sure that you're doing well with PPC. As you can see, we are not doing well with this particular product, but this is our test account. And also you're going to see, of course, the product image and the product name. And you're going to see a little button here called Profit Margin Bulk Update. So here is where you can update the profit margins for each SKU on one page. This way you don't have to go back and forth and do it on the individual SKU page. So you could either do it that way, or you can do it on the individual SKU page by clicking on the SKU and updating it right over here and then clicking on Save. So back to the listing optimization start page. It is basically going to show you your products. And this is really important, obviously, because you want to be able to see which product is doing best and then go from there. So listing optimization is all about improving your keyword tracking, improving your rank, getting more search term fields in your back-end search terms, testing with A/B split testing, and a couple of other things. So we're going to dive deep into that in the next video.